Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country. In South America, we'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often confusing country names too. So make sure to stay tuned for this. For reference, in Spanish, the original language of the country, this is said as Ecuador, Ecuador, with an emphasis on the last syllable. Now in English, this is normally pronounced as Ecuador, Ecuador, with an emphasis on the first syllable. So Ecuador in English or Ecuador in Spanish. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting country names that many mispronounce. You won't after watching those. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.